Before start doing maintenance repair, shut off circuit breaker first. Now measure the length and width of worn out conveyor belt. Then loosen all tensioners shown on video. Measure new conveyor belt to replace worn out conveyor belt, and cut it same as the size of worn out conveyor belt. Then trim grooves of conveyor belt. Trimming conveyor belt grooves is where to install alligator staple fastener. Follow how to install alligator staple fastener, shown on video. Then remove exceeding alligator staple fastener. Hammer all those alligator staples till teeth pierced into hole at the other side. The proper and good alligator staple fastener after hammering. Then, use alligator staple fastener installation tool to tighten alligator belt lacing. Follow procedure or step-by-step shown on video. Alligator staple or teeth are all bent after using alligator staple fastener installation tool. And now hammer all bent alligator staples or teeth to hold tight on alligator lacing. And now after hammering, alligator staples or teeth are all bent together. And then cut worn out conveyor belt, where you to connect new conveyor belt. Do same procedure in every end of conveyor belt. Finally, after installing all alligator staple fastener, connect every end of conveyor belt using alligator staple fastener hinge cable pin. Then install alligator staple fastener retaining washer. Pinch alligator staple retaining washer. Every connection of conveyor belt are same procedure. Cut exceeding hinge cable pin. Install steel clamp on every end of conveyor belt where to hook electric winch. Follow how to install or hook electric winch on every end of conveyor belt. Install hinge cable pin to connect end of conveyor belt. And now release or loosening electric winch to remove all clamps connected in conveyor belt. Finally, adjust and align all tensioner. Measure tensioner conveyor belt if equally same and aligned. Adjust tensioner if needed. Then power on circuit breaker to run conveyor if it is in proper alignment. Check if still loose or too tight. Then run conveyor belt. Everything are run good and aligned. So we're done and finished. Thanks for watching, guys.